Hi, I'm Sky, the pretty bald guy. I'm gonna be here today to give you all a tutorial on something that I think you have lots of interest in. Eyeshadow! Starting off when you're doing makeup, at least in my opinion, eyeshadows were really daunting. It was a daunting task for me and I was just like over it. But you know, once you start playing in it more, you really do, you'll get your hand for what you like and what works best for your eye shape and that kind of stuff. It becomes second nature. Today, I'm going to be giving you all a little tutorial with one of my favorite palettes, the Morphe palette 35M Boss Move. It has colors and it has good neutrals. Like, look at this. So, without further ado, let's begin.
Alright, so I'm taking the NYX Professional Concealer Base and just another concealer I have that I use and mixing them together and putting that on my eyes as my primer. The first color I'm using is the color Peachy King. This is a really cool color and I'm going to just place it pretty much from my crease all the way down and cover my entire eye. And what you're seeing me do now is essentially blowing that brown that's in my crease up and out. I want it to look really blown out and seamless. The second color that I'm using now is Sparks Fly. With Sparks Fly, I'm just going to define that crease area a lot more. If you feel like you're losing some of the colors, don't be afraid to go back into the palette and add more. It's perfectly fine because this is all about blending, so you might lose some.
We want definition, that's the key. No one wants no 1D, 2D eye. We need 3, 4, 5. I mean, if they can get 5G on phones, we can get 5D on our eyes.
You heard the man. So I'm going into that black, which is called Black Magic. It is so like just it's a good black. And I'm just again defining.
Seen you from afar and I couldn't stop myself from looking hard. You want these jeans, girl, you want these jeans, and you made a thug wanna cry something terrible. I had to have you for myself, baby. You don't know what the jeans do to me. Make you wanna get down on one knee.
I don't know their phrase, but the eyes are what make your ass pop, pop, pop. So, now that I've set my base for this beautiful 5D, well 3D, I'm gonna now add some color.
Boo. I'm now going in with my NYX Professional Concealer Base and I'm going to basically add this where I want to place my shimmer. So this beautiful metallic brown olivey color is called Sheen Stiller. Like, she is a reptilian goddess who gives you just everything you need and everything you didn't think you wanted. And now I'm just going back in with those interesting colors like Sparks Fly, you know, Peachy Keen and Black Magic, and just defining that and just bringing everything together. Man, by this point, I was feeling too cute. I was like, where are the lashes? Let me throw some mascara on and let's bop it out.
Now I can give you a full-on beat now with some real contours, but I personally love a just beautiful, luminous face. However, if you do want to see me give you that full-on avant-garde look, please like, share, and subscribe, and let me know down below in those comments. I love seeing those, and I really do want to know what you all want to see in the future. So please do your part, and I'll do mine. I'll be right back.
This something? Nah, I just threw it together last minute. That's what you're gonna say to your friends when you put up this bomb ass look. What?
Like, just, baby, when you in your look, you like, this is how you know that you look right. If you in the look, you're like this, and you're feeling boom, baby, you did it right. Cause I'm feeling so damn good. I am feeling myself. Like, what? I'll go to Kroger right now. Who? You can what? You can't tell me nothing. Hey, if you have not yet, go and get that Morphe Boss Smooth 35M palette. You will not regret it. They have so many different shades, so many trends. There's just so many combinations you can do with this palette. It is definitely a palette you should definitely get if you're starting off with just makeup in general. You'll learn so much. But you guys, this is the look. Like, I don't know what to call her, but I'm gonna call her very, very, because I'm looking very, very scrumptious. No, ma'am. I ordered the salmon. Yeah, the salmon. Yeah, asparagus, potatoes. Not from the box. Who that bitch? No, she's an anatomy.